advance well without end. Wontonne team is proud of more than 20 years of industry experience and will always bring you comprehensive and reliable solutions for your material handling. Wontonne has gained good recognition in China market with high-quality products and services, and has exported our products to more than 70 countries. Our products cover forklift attachments, forklift spare parts of European, American, and Chinese forklift brands, and all type of forklift trucks. And efficient collaboration during the process in Wontonne is the guarantee of providing quality products and services. Wontonne brand forklift attachments will significantly improve your handling, like paper roll clamps and side shifters, hinge forks, bale clamps, rotators, carton clamps, push-pull and forklift forks, etc. Wontonne adopts imported Eaton hydraulic motor, Sun brand valve, imported from America, engineering plastic bushing with self-lubrication, arm base, splint, with parts use high-strength casting parts. Structural parts produced by high-precision CNC machining technology. Each thread is processed by professional machine to ensure maximum accuracy. Follow the quality control procedure. We carry out comprehensive testing for hydraulic components before installation, and then assemble the components and structural parts together. With rigorous quality control, each unit of Wontonne forklift attachment will be tested in no-load mode after final assembly, and carefully inspect on the hydraulic motor rotation, cylinder action, speed, riding comfort, and the vibration is in line with the inspection standards or not. Then be tested on load with 20% overload. Reach the industry's highest standard, only for the quality promise of Wontonne brand. The made-to-stock model with enough semi-finished parts in stock. We can meet your demand with fast delivery. First-class design, high-quality components, excellent production control, rigorous testing. Wontonne forklift attachments will contribute to your business. Wontonne forklift attachments have gained good recognitions in China, and has exported to Southeast Asia, Australia, the Middle East, Europe, South America, and other developed countries and emerging markets. It shows the confidence to Wontonne from markets and customers. Wontonne one-stop spare parts service. With more than 20 years of forklift industry experience and spare parts development ability, we integrate Chinese manufacturing and global supply chain resources to provide one-stop spare parts services for your forklift trucks and forklift attachment. Wontonne team selects the fast-moving and commonly used spare parts to meet the maintenance needs of your forklift trucks and forklift attachments. Each batch of incoming parts have been subjected to strict inspection, and each batch of shipments have followed the quality inspection and control standards, and uses the best packaging to ensure that the spare parts to be delivered rightly. The label and packaging with the brand of Wontonne represent the rigorous, reliable and professional commitment of Wontonne. Wontonne forklift trucks, from hand pallet trucks, electric pallet trucks, electrical counterbalanced forklift trucks, to 2.56 tons internal combustion balanced forklift trucks, as well as 7 to 32 tons heavy-duty internal combustion balanced forklift trucks, widely used in ports, mining industries. Looking forward to make win-win situations in your local market. Wontonne team is proud of our professional ability and the trust from our customers. Each step of growth and development of Wontonne will be happed with your kindly cooperation. Please log in the Wontonne website or contact our staff for further cooperation.